We have a problem with our jacuzzi. The pump of the circulation is worn again, I think. The other pumps are working perfect. Second pump. And also the blower is working fine. But the third pump that heats up the jacuzzi and is used the most to keep the water on the right temperature doesn't work anymore. 4 years and 2 months ago I've already replaced it, but now it's broken again. We need to remove this panel and then we can see the pump over here. It isn't possible to close some valves, so we have to drain the entire jacuzzi over here if we want to replace the pump. The tip number of the pump, DXD 315A. We will first check the capacitor. If this one is broken or if it's the pump again. After removing the capacitor from 15 microfarad, I've done it to a little company, ABT Plus Govaerts, to measure it out. Special thanks to them. And the capacitor has only 5 microfarad, so this capacitor is broken. I've bought a new one at allekabels.be. Also the same specifications, 15 microfarad, 50 to 60 hertz and 5% of the 15 microfarad. So we will connect this one and test it. So after replacing the broken capacitor, the pump is working again. Also the drain is okay now because it was leaking when the cold water was in. And the pumps are working again. So this was the only thing that was broken, the capacitor. Always measure it out. Thanks for watching, guys.